I know y'all must be wondering, why is this big face so close to the camera? Well, I just wanted to show you guys how soft and shiny and defined and moisturized my hair is after using my treatment. There's absolutely no product on my hair. This is just how it looks after rinsing it out and allowing it to air dry. These are my ingredients: a very ripe banana, a piece of ginger, just a small piece, some homemade carrot oil. You can substitute it for any oil of your choice as long as it is a light one. I also used a tuna leaf. I'm not sure what they call it otherwise, but in Jamaica we call it tuna. So after breaking up my banana and cutting up my ginger, I added those to a blender. Then I added 4 tablespoons of my carrot oil. Then I proceeded to peel my tuna leaf. You have to peel both sides. Then you're going to cut it up into the blender and blend until it is smooth. So bananas are great for your hair and your scalp as they improve manageability and shine. It also prevents and controls dandruff and it moisturizes your scalp. It is rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help to soften the hair and protects its natural elasticity, preventing the hair from split ends and breakage. It also helps to repair dry and sun damaged hair and strengthens and volumizes it. Ginger stimulates the hair follicles and encourages growth, and it also helps with dandruff, which I don't have, but it's still beneficial. Carrot oil can help hair to grow faster and thicker, and it helps to avoid split ends. It may also help improve the hair's texture, make it shinier, smoother, and softer to the touch. It may also help with hair loss by making the roots stronger. It may also help to protect the hair from harmful UV rays of the sun. The tuna plant contains something called a penca gel, which is a moisturizer that is beneficial for both the hair and the skin. Like the aloe vera, it leaves the scalp feeling clean, soothes itching, and strengthens the roots of the hair, leaving it thicker. It can also be used as a hair conditioner and can help to get rid of dandruff. So you guys saw my hair, what it looks like before I used the treatment. It was after about a week of neglecting my hair. I admit I don't take the best care of my hair. So I sectioned my hair into two and I put the back part into a scrunchie and began working at the front. So what I did was I took small sections and I applied the deep conditioner and I worked detangling with my fingers from the ends, working my way up. You always want to start detangling at your ends and working your way up. That way you prevent breakage. So I applied the treatments in small pieces until I reached about the center of my hair. Then I used a wide tooth comb to detangle that entire section. Then a smaller comb to detangle again, twisted it, and put it into a bantu knot, or as we call it in Jamaica, Chinese bump. Then I worked on the other side and then I did the back. By the way, did you subscribe as yet? Please remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Also, please share this with other naturals and even relaxed people, because this can be used on relaxed hair as well. Please also remember to like and comment, and thank you so much for your support so far. It truly means a lot to me. So after completing my head, I then put a plastic bag over my head. Then off camera, I put a bonnet over that, and then I also tied my head. And I kept it in for about an hour. Then I rinsed it out. So this is the final product. This is what it looks like after rinsing it out. I did not wash it with shampoo. I just rinsed it out, and as you can see, it is shiny, it seems healthy, it has elasticity, so I'm good. Now I did lose a lot of hair compared to what others lose, but it is a little for me, so like I said, I'm good. Now thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share.